Hello. So the Black Mountains are off to Burton on the Water and Stow on the Mole down in the Cotswolds today. We're leaving from Junction 35 today, but I'm not going on the ride today, but I'm going to get some photos, get some video of them leaving, and then we're going to use our second photographer is going to be hopefully catching some footage of the rest of it, because it does look beautiful. I'm a bit gutted I can't go, but there we go. So hopefully we'll have some good footage for you all, and they'll have a good ride out today. They picked a good day. It's bloody sunny. We've got a few here now.